Abdul Aziz bin Baz wrote a fatwa in which he allowed the commemoration of Muhammad bin Abdul Wahhab Day. This is a photocopy of the fatwa. And if anyone doubts it, it is Majmu' Fatawa wa Maqalatun Mutanawwi'atun. It states تأليف الفقير إلى عفو ربه عبد العزيز bin Abdullah bin Abdul Rahman bin Baz. And this particular one has been published in Darul Qasim, and it is published in Riyadh. This man, throughout his life, he condemned the Mawlid. Throughout his life, him and Salih Al-Uthaymeen wrote many fatwa which these people at Hartop Road and Green Lane Building and the Wright Street Garage, all these people, they followed this man Abdul Aziz bin Baz. Yet they failed to condemn this man Abdul Aziz bin Baz, who gave the verdict that the celebration of Muhammad bin Abdul Wahhab Day is allowed. And they even held this a few years back on Coventry Road. And they landed in their hundreds with their younger brother's thobe and polluted our roads. But yet they have the audacity to condemn the celebration of the Mawlid of the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam.